Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
In today's video, we will be discussing about how to apply multiple files with kubectl tool in Kubernetes. So let's jump into the practical. So here we have already launched an Ubuntu EC2 instance on which the Kubernetes master cluster has been configured along with the Helm and the Tiller services installed. So first of all, talking about the application of multiple files, now there could be multiple applications which require multiple resources to be created, such as deployment and a service. Now, creation of deployment and service on individual level can take a lot of efforts. So for that, there is a command with the kubectl with which we can create both the deployment and service at the same time. So here we are using the command kubectl create along with the link to the deployment file which is containing the Nginx app. So as you can see here, both the service and the deployment app has been created. So if we want to perform bulk operations using the kubectl like kubectl edit, we can use the command, this command. So if we use the command kubectl edit deployment dot slash my nginx, so what it will do is it will open the deployment file, and here in the deployment file you can simply edit the configuration of the file. So you don't need to open the service file separately or the application file separately. They can both be configured at the same place. So we'll get out of the file. Now if let's say there are some disruptive updates in our applications and our application is not able to run, then what we can do is we can update the resource fields that cannot be updated once initialized, and this can be done using the kubectl tool. Or if we want, we can just make a recursive change immediately. So just to make a recursive change immediately, we can use the command kubectl replace, and what this will do is it will replace the application which we downloaded. So we will use this command. So here what it has done is that it has first deleted the deployment of apps which was my nginx and again replaced it with the new version. So by doing this we can maintain or we can assure the continuous working of our application in the containers. And the force is used in this command to forcibly change or update the fields. Now in case if we want to extract the resource names from configuration files in order to perform other operation, which in particular could be to delete the same resources which we created, we can use the command kubectl delete. So if we use this command, what it will do is that it will delete the applications which we just downloaded yet. So using this command we are able to delete both the service and both the along with that the application at the same time. So friends, the kubectl is an important tool in the Kubernetes cluster, and we can use this the tool for doing bulk operations like editing, or we can also forcibly update the disruptive application and replace them with a newer applications. And also what we can do is if we want to delete several services and application at same time, we can also use the kubectl tool for that. So in today's video, what we did is that we use the kubectl tool to perform or to perform the operation on multiple files like service and the application at the same time using a single command. And that was all for today's video.